this is your vibe, or this, or this, then you're in the right place.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm so happy to have you here. I cannot believe that I'm saying this, but this is my last reset for 2024. I have done a monthly reset every single month this year, so I have 12 of them, and yes, I will link it in a playlist down below. It is truly such a diary to go back and see how much my life has changed. Of course, some things never change, like stocking up on fresh fruits and vegetables to remind me to eat more intentionally throughout the day. And here is a little glimpse of some of the items that I normally pick up. I love stocking up on tons of vegetables, especially for my dinner. Next up, I'm heading to my flower shop to pick up some fresh eucalyptus stems. I wanted to add them to my shower. It's been a while since I've done that, and I thought it is the holiday season, it is a little bit festive, and eucalyptus is the perfect little addition to my shower. Throughout the year, you would have seen me going to my flower shop to get some fresh flowers occasionally. It is definitely something that I love adding to my monthly reset routines. If you have not gotten yourself fresh flowers, definitely think about doing that when you do your monthly resets in the new year. I love the feeling of coming home with my bouquet of flowers and making my little arrangements to really brighten up my space. Here is a little tip: when you have your fresh eucalyptus, you can roll it with a rolling pin, or I'm using a glass because of course I do not have a rolling pin, and this helps to release all of the essential oils inside of it, which just makes it smell a lot more fragrant in your shower when it's steaming up. Something else that I love doing every month and that I absolutely cannot live without is getting my nails done. I've actually changed the shape of my nails. It is now, what is this called again? It is now almond shape, which is so different for me, but I'm actually obsessed with how it turns out. And I feel like if it really suited me a lot better, it suited my hands a lot better. And I love that this was a little way that I reinvented myself for the new year. I also always get my lashes done. So my nails and my lashes are like my non-negotiables in my monthly reset routines. It's something that I do enjoy so much. It helps me look a lot more put together, and I feel like it's that perfect high maintenance to be low maintenance kind of vibe. Okay, so as part of my December monthly reset, I wanted to share with you some gifts that I'm giving, and I feel like if it was really nice to include in my last reset for the year, because we're all probably doing some gift shopping. Some of us may be last minute like myself, but to be honest, this is the earliest that I've done in recent years. So I wanted to share with you some items that I picked up from my friends and family in case you needed some gift inspiration. So one thing that really helps me is using a gift tracker or gift planner. You guys know I love to have lists and everything like that. I will link in the one that I'm using. I actually did one last year, and I might change this up this year a little bit, but it's a free printable. You can use it on your iPad or you can print it out, and it has like a list where you can put in the name of the person you're buying the gift for, what is the idea of the gift, as well as if you bought and wrapped it. I love this so much because it really helps me to stay organized and on track with my gifting for the holidays, especially since I'm always so last minute. I can just write down any ideas that come to my mind and use this while I go out shopping. And now I can see that I bought almost everything that I needed, and now I just need to go ahead and wrap them, which I will do. So I will leave this linked down below in case you need to go out and get some last minute gifts, and you can use this to help you stay a little bit more organized. So first up is this gorgeous pink coffee press that I got. One of my best friends, she's obsessed with coffee. We both love pink. We both love really girly things. She will absolutely love this. This is the Paris Hilton pink coffee press. I know it will look so good on her counter because we're so similar in terms of all things pink, but I don't drink coffee and she does. So I think that this is a gift that she would absolutely love. Next up, for a younger guy in your life, a teenage boy, a cousin or something like that, you can think about doing like a perfume set. So this is the Nautica body spray and perfume. So I think that this is really great, especially because guys and younger boys, they might not know what they like or how to take care of themselves. So you kind of have to help them look good, feel good and smell good. So I think that this will be such a nice gift idea. And I love buying little sets like these. You will see that is my theme when we go through the rest of my gifts. Something else that I got from my brother was this body set, and again, I love these. I feel like if this time of year there's so many gift sets that are packaged so nicely that you don't have to go and really stress out yourself looking for things, especially if you are pressed for time. I'm always pressed for time when it comes to this time of year. This is probably the earliest that I've done so far, so I'm really proud of myself. As soon as I saw this, I thought that this would be perfect for my brother, because of course he's at the stage where he is, you know, more interested in grooming himself and making himself look good and feel good and smell good and all of those things. So I thought this was a really nice little gift set for him. For my sister, I got this pretty pink and purple gift set. I thought it was absolutely stunning. It will look really good in her shower, and she really always loves stuff like this. I can't use anything like this because my skin will fall off. I will scratch forever. But it's so much fun because I know that she will love these, and she loves like stuff for her skin and her body. So this is packaged so pretty. I know that she's going to love this so much. And again, if you're really pressed for time or you just don't know what to get, gift sets like these are just perfect, and anyone will absolutely love them because we all need to take showers. So why not make it really nice and smell good? And also, by the way, I did a video recently on 12 ways to elevate your shower routine on a budget, so you can probably go check that out, just on the theme of showers and stuff like that. Something else for my brother, I feel like if we just have so much to celebrate, my brother got into MIT, yes, the MIT, so I feel like if we need to just treat him so much this year because we're so proud of him. He is a cat lover just like myself, and he wanted this 2,000 piece puzzle. You guys, obsessed. I feel like if he inspired me earlier this year, because I did a 500 piece puzzle that I have framed in my home right now, and I just felt really inspired by him. He actually chose this puzzle out because I just like choosing gifts for people that they actually want, because the worst thing is to get a gift that you don't really love and you're not going to use. So I just love that so much. So I asked him what he wanted, because he doesn't really know a lot what he wants for Christmas or gifts in general. So I was really happy that he pointed out this puzzle, which I got for him. So I can't wait, because I am of course a cat lover as well. So I can't wait to see him build this puzzle. And the other thing that he asked for was this. I don't even know what this is. It's some sort of micro block Lego type of thing. It's really, really heavy and it's big. So I'm not really sure. It has, oh my goodness, it has like over 7,000 pieces. So I'm excited to see how he builds this, and I can't wait for him to check out all of his gifts. Okay, for my best friend, who you guys always hear me talk about in my videos, she wanted these vintage beaded glass drinkware set. This is very heavy, and my cats also bit holes into it. There are tiny teeth marks all over this box, but she loves my cats as well, so it's all fine. This is a really gorgeous, stunning set of 12 pieces. I love home items. I love kitchen items, so I just love the fact that she wanted this. She told me that she wanted it, so I went ahead and got it for her. And this is definitely gonna be something that she's obsessed with, because she loves very pretty drinkware and glassware. And she's actually moving into her new home soon, so I think that this will be such a great little addition to her space. Hi, Coco is coming to visit us. Hello. Next up, what do I have? Because this was really, hi baby. I got this really cute gift bag. I feel like gift bags you can't go wrong with, and I got it really specifically for the coffee press, because I would just have wrapped this really awfully. So it is a perfect little size for it. I'll just put it in. Yes, it fits perfectly. How cute. I love gift bags. I feel like gift bags are so cute. I feel like if I could possibly be hoarding gift bags, I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, so for my mom, we are both obsessed with walking recently. You guys know I'm always walking, and she wanted to get like something that she could walk in comfortably without. Hi Coco, are you coming back? You guys, Coco is biting the gift box right in front of us right now. She's obsessed. Yeah, you are. All right. Okay, back to my gifts. And she has a walking pad. So this is like socks that she could just slip on to walk. It's called Fit Kicks or something like that. I've never really paid attention to these because I wasn't walking like this before. So this is really great because of course you're working in your home, so you don't always want to be putting on sneakers. So I love that you could just slip this in, you can get your steps in, and you can fold it. You can easily wash it. It's really, really nice. And this is the color that she chose because again, this was a gift that she chose, which I do appreciate because again, I'd rather people choose their own gifts. That is just my preference. Like, I don't like surprises. I like to choose my own gifts. So I feel like if that is what it is. And the last up, you guys know I like the gift sets that we were talking about. So I got this to add to the other gifts that I'm giving as a separate little gift maybe, or a stocking stuffer. I think any girl is going to appreciate this because how cute is the packaging and how functional it is as well. Obsessed. I am really proud of myself this year for actually getting stuff much earlier. I would normally get stuff on the 24th every single year, but I have some things that I could start wrapping. And speaking about wrapping paper, I got this one. I know it's not my usual style, but I do love something about a traditional Christmas gift. Last year I did do plaid, but this year I went a little bit darker. I love the black with the green. I think it's so pretty, but what really sold me on this was the words on it. So it says deck the halls, it says joy to the world, and I think that it was such a nice, something different for myself, but something that is obviously still festive. And something that I love doing is making my gifts look really pretty. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you could probably see how I would wrap all of these. I'm gonna do really gorgeous acrylic gift tags for everyone. And then I got these really cute little bell sets. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually cut like a bell from each one and add it to the gift. So it will be something a little bit different, or I might even include a sprig of rosemary or something like that. I just love decorating gifts. I think it's so much fun. It's just part of the season. Right next to me are my pine cones, so I'm feeling like a pine cone on a gift might be something really cute. I'm not sure what I will decide with, and I still have to finish the acrylic gift tags anyway, so we'll see how that goes. But I hope that you enjoyed my December monthly reset. It was something a little bit different because of course it goes with the season. If you like, you can check out my entire 2024 monthly reset videos. I did one every single month and I had so much fun doing it. I absolutely cannot wait to do it for 2025 as well, because it's a video that I truly do love, and I love sharing different ways on how I reset my life and get ready for each new month. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed my year of monthly resets and if you want to see it in 2025. Don't forget to also subscribe and check out all of my recent lifestyle glow videos because it's going to give you some inspo for the new year. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my January 2025 monthly reset. Bye! Mwah.